Ready to get your mind blown in the weirdest way possible? Today, we're diving into 10 bizarre facts that sound fake, but are 100% real. Number 1. You might think dolphins, the sleek swimmers of the sea, are the ultimate breath-holding champs. After all, they live in water, right? Well, plot twist. Sloths, yes, the fuzzy tree huggers that move slower than a buffering video can actually hold their breath longer than dolphins. How long? Try up to 40 minutes. Dolphins around 10 on average. That's right, sloths win. The secret? Their ultra-slow metabolism. They move in slow motion, which means their body uses way less oxygen. So they're just vibing in the trees, not breathing, like at all. Meanwhile, dolphins are like, well, time to surface again. If chilling were an Olympic sport, sloths would take gold without even exhaling. Number 2. Got a jar of honey in the back of your pantry that's older than your Wi-Fi router? Don't toss it, it's probably still good. That's because honey never spoils, seriously. Archaeologists once found jars of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old and they were still edible. So what's the secret? Honey is basically a microbial nightmare, low moisture, high acidity, and packed with natural hydrogen peroxide. Bacteria take one sniff and go, nope, we're out. It's like nature's own preservation superpower. Forget expiration dates, this golden goo is immortal. Sweet, huh? Number 3. Imagine you're drifting off to sleep. But you're floating in the ocean. How do you keep from floating away? Well, sea otters figured it out. They hold hands while they sleep. Yup, they literally form a cuddle chain to stay together in the water. Scientists call it rafting, but honestly, it's just peak cuteness. Sometimes they even wrap themselves in kelp like a blanket so they don't drift apart. It's teamwork, nap time, and relationship goals all in one fluffy package. Next time you nap, ask your buddy to hold hands. For science. Number 4. You've probably heard that blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, but did you know? Their heart is literally the size of a small car? YEP, a blue whale's heart can weigh over 400 kilograms or 880 pounds. It's about the size of a Mini Cooper and beats only 2 to 10 times per minute when they dive deep. To make it even cooler or weirder, scientists say you can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from more than 2 miles away underwater. That's one powerful pump, and just imagine. Their aorta is wide enough for a small child to crawl through. Nature doesn't mess around when it comes to whales. Number 5. Fingerprints are supposed to be unique, right? Well, not that unique. Koalas, yes, those adorable eucalyptus-munching marsupials have fingerprints that are almost indistinguishable from ours. So similar, in fact, that even advanced forensic analysis has trouble telling them apart. In a crime scene, a koala could technically mess with evidence without raising red flags. Why do they have fingerprints? Scientists think it helps them grip tree bark better when climbing and foraging. So next time you're in Australia, maybe keep an eye on those fuzzy little suspects. Number 6. Think cows are just boring farm animals? Think again. Cows form tight friendships. They literally have BFFs in the herd. Studies show that when two bonded cows are together, their heart rates stay calm and chill, but split them up. Their heart rates spike, stress hormones surge, and they get downright anxious just like us when we lose our phone charger. So next time you see a pair of grazing cows side by side, know they're not just eating grass. They're hanging out with their best friend. Number 7. Imagine ordering at a restaurant and tasting your food with your shoes. That's basically how butterflies do it. Those delicate creatures land on leaves not just to rest, but to taste them with sensory cells on their feet. These tiny taste sensors help them decide whether a leaf is perfect for laying eggs or just a lousy snack. Next time you see a butterfly flit by, remember, it's not just looking pretty, it's doing a full-on taste test. Number 8. Elephants are not just gentle giants, they also have deep emotions. Elephants mourn their dead. When one of their herd passes away, elephants gather around the body, touching it with their trunks, staying silent, and sometimes even crying. It's believed that they might even have a funeral ritual, showing respect and grieving their lost family members. These majestic creatures prove that even in the animal kingdom, love and loss are universal. Number 9. Think you're smart? Octopuses laugh in your face because they've got 9 brains. One central brain sits in their head, handling big decisions, while each of their 8 arms has its own mini brain to control movement, grab snacks, and even solve puzzles on its own. That's right, each tentacle can operate independently, letting octopuses multitask like pros. They can open jars with one arm, escape danger with another, and still have 6 more arms free to explore. No wonder these 8-armed geniuses can camouflage instantly and pull off Houdini-style escapes. If you think you've got a lot on your mind, try juggling 9 of them. Number 10. If you think you're tough, meet the tardigrade, aka the water bear, nature's ultimate survivor. These tiny, 8-legged critters can survive vacuum, extreme heat, cold, and even radiation. In 2007, scientists actually blasted them into space aboard a satellite, and most came back alive. Without a spacesuit, without oxygen, just microscopic superheroes defying the laws of biology. Tardigrades prove that sometimes size really doesn't matter when it comes to survival. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next round of bizarre brilliance on Just Weird Enough.